Jensen Huang just dropped a bomb that nobody saw coming. Yesterday at NVIDIA's GTC conference, the most powerful man in AI casually announced he expects $1 trillion in revenue through 2027. Not valuation, revenue. From selling AI chips. No company in history has ever done that. And what he revealed on stage explains exactly why that number is not only possible, it might be conservative. Let me break it down. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a daily AI update. Here's the headline everyone is missing. NVIDIA didn't just announce faster chips. They announced a completely new architecture for how AI actually thinks. It's called Vera Rubin, and it's a monster. We're talking 7 different chips across 5 rack systems, working together as one giant brain. The centerpiece is the Rubin GPU with 288 gigabytes of HBM4 memory. But the real game changer is the Groq 3 LPU, a dedicated inference chip that NVIDIA built after acquiring Groq for $20 billion. This chip has 500 megabytes of on-chip SRAM, delivering 150 terabytes per second of bandwidth. When you combine the Vera Rubin racks with the Groq LPX racks, NVIDIA claims 35 times higher inference throughput per megawatt and 10 times more revenue opportunity for trillion parameter models. What does that mean in English? AI responses that used to take seconds will happen instantly, and the cost per token drops dramatically. That is why Jensen sees $1 trillion coming. But here's where it gets really interesting for anyone building with AI. NVIDIA launched NemoClaw, an open-source platform that lets you run AI agents on your own hardware. Think about what OpenClaw did, that viral AI assistant that got 100,000 GitHub stars. Now NVIDIA is wrapping enterprise-grade security around it with something called OpenShell Runtime, policy enforcement, network guardrails, privacy routing. Jensen literally said this could become the policy engine of every SaaS company in the world. And they paired it with DGX Spark, which you can cluster up to 4 systems on your desk. That is a desktop data center running trillion parameter models locally. No cloud, no subscription, no one sees your data. For any developer or entrepreneur watching this, NemoClaw is the moment AI agents go from cool demos to actual deployed business tools. Drop a comment below. How are you planning to capitalize on this AI infrastructure boom?
Now, let me tell you how to actually make money from what just happened. First, the obvious play. NVIDIA stock moved on this news because Wall Street finally understands the inference story. Training made NVIDIA rich, but inference, actually running AI models for hundreds of millions of users, that is a market 10 times bigger. Every single AI interaction you have with ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, every AI agent transaction, that requires inference compute. And NVIDIA just proved they can do it 35 times more efficiently. Second, and this is the sleeper opportunity, build AI agent services. Jensen said every enterprise and software company globally needs an AI agent strategy. He called it a multi-trillion-dollar sector. With NemoClaw being open source, the barrier to entry just collapsed. You can literally download the stack today, run it on a DGX Spark, and start building AI agent services for businesses. Think AI customer service agents, AI sales agents, AI data analysis agents, all running locally on the client's hardware so their data never leaves the building. Companies will pay a premium for that privacy. Third, the infrastructure picks and shovels play. NVIDIA announced partnerships with Micron for HBM4 production, Intel for Xeon 6 host CPUs, and IBM for Watson X integration. The entire supply chain is expanding. Companies building cooling systems, power infrastructure, networking equipment for AI data centers, they're all riding this wave. Here's your daily hack. Go to NVIDIA's GTC website right now. Every single session, keynote, and workshop from this week is available for free. That is hundreds of hours of cutting-edge AI education from the people actually building the future. Watch the NemoClaw session specifically if you want to get ahead on the agent wave. If this helps you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. We drop AI Alpha every single day. See you tomorrow.